what is additive manufacturing? So actually many experts saying to me this, because additive manufacturing is the future. Because already we are using the manufacturing process, we know that manufacturing is called subtractive manufacturing. Yes, for example, we take one casting component and then do the machining. Machining means we have to remove the excess material in that, then only we will get the final product output. So this is called subtract manufacturing. But additive manufacturing is purely opposite to this subtract manufacturing, because we just adding the material little by little in that, and then you will get a final output product. So this is additive manufacturing. So many of them know that. So 3D printing, yes, the 3D printing is one of the manufacturing process in additive manufacturing. Okay, so there will be a lot of difference between the additive manufacturing and our traditional subtract manufacturing. In subtract manufacturing, we are using for mass production. So whenever you want, so we will create on pattern, then we will create on manufacturing process. In subtract manufacturing, in 6 seconds we will get the product. So in subtract manufacturing, we already have the traditional. Okay, but in additive manufacturing, there will be a time consumption is very high. In additive manufacturing, so we take a 3D printing is the main thing, so we already know that. So 3D printing, if we give a small component in 3D printer, it will take to complete that product for 3 hours. 3 hours it will take, because 3 or 4 hours maybe, so depends on the product size, it will be vary. So for 3 hours we will make only one component, but in 3 or 6 seconds we made a one component in subtract manufacturing. So that is the difference between additive manufacturing and subtract manufacturing. But why expert says additive manufacturing will be the future of mechanical engineers? Because in additive manufacturing there will be a lot of advantages, especially right now we are using in rapid prototyping. Do you know about rapid prototyping? Yes. So I think a lot of members know that rapid prototyping. So if you are in a R&D department, so you make your own design and then everything is fine, and then doing analysis is fine, and then you have to make one product, one testing product, right? So for that we are using rapid prototyping right now. Otherwise, if you go to using the subtract manufacturing, that will be a not cost effective, and also time consumption is more. What is this? Because you already told the subtract manufacturing is the time consumption is very low, but now we will go to the subtract manufacturing means the time will be high. Why? Because if you want to only one product, we need pattern, master, and then machining process. So it will take around 2 or 3 days to complete that product. Is it right? Yes. So completely it will take 2 or 3 days to get the complete product, single product. In additive manufacturing, we will get that product in a 3 or 4, 5 hours. Within a day, definitely you will get the product for rapid prototyping, because we need to test that product, right? So that's why right now we are using for rapid prototyping, especially we are using in R&D department. Not only in R&D department, in civil engineers like architects are using this rapid prototype, using this 3D printing, which means additive manufacturing, because there will be a lot of structures, and then so they will be show their project to the customer or client. So they need to make a own model, physical model, right? So for that is a very complicated one. So we don't do that in a traditional manufacturing process. It will take lot of time, and it also complicated. So for that complicated, very complicated product, so we go to the 3D printing, which means additive manufacturing will be fine. So you see that a lot of members are seen in movies. So there will be a lot of buildings and then structures, roads, everything will be there. So for that kind of project, additive, which means 3D printing is better. So lot of architects or big companies and then R&D departments, they are using this additive manufacturing. Not only them, not only in engineering, even in medical field it will be playing a big role. There will be a lot of opportunities and then lot of advantages in that medical field. So if you need a plastic hand to that, so now we are using a normal traditional molding, injection molding method, but if you did in a 3D printing, it will be more effective and then more accuracy, but time consumption will be very, because so we need the mass component, right? So we don't need the mass product in that. So we need a singular 2 or 3 product, single product only we need that. So for if you want single product or single component, means definitely we can go to 3D printing or additive manufacturing. So additive manufacturing, as a mechanical engineer, we must know. So you want to know more about additive manufacturing in technically, if you want to know about additive manufacturing, especially about 3D printing, so kindly give your suggestion in comment box. So definitely we will make a video related to that additive manufacturing. I think this is my first video, so second or third video in English. So maybe my communication will be little bit different from Tamil to English. So apologize me. So and then so I will continue through this video in all languages like Hindi, Malayalam, and then Kannadam, Telugu, like that. So if you don't subscribe our channel, kindly subscribe and then click the bell icon, then only you will get the instant notification to get our job opportunities video and then mechanical related content. Thank you so much.